Hola! Today we're going to talk about suffixes, in particular dor and ista. Hopefully you already know that a suffix is something that you add to the end of a word. Okay, right now we're going to talk about dor and dora. They are the equivalent of in English. Okay, what I mean by that is like runner. We have skater. Or player. Okay, how we form it is we take a verb, like an activity verb like patinar, to skate. Okay, we drop this R here. And then we just add our definite article and the dor or the dora. So for a male skater, we would just add dor. For the female skater, we want to add dora. Okay, so the only difference here, we have the A at the end, and then also our L in la. Alright, see if you can get esquiar and change that one using your suffix. So instead of just saying esquiar to ski, try to say skier or a male skier and a female skier. Pause the video, I'm going to write mine up if you're not sure. Remember to drop your R at the end here. Alright, so we have el esquiador and la esquiadora. Okay, you'll see on your note sheet that you have some translating on your own. Numero uno, the runner is in the park. Please notice that I clarified if it was male or female in parentheses. Okay, so we have the runner is in the park. See if you can try that one on your own. Remember the verb for to run is correr. Pause it right now. I'm going to put my answer up. Alright, there's my answer. Please remember this was a male runner, so we have our L. We also have corredor. Okay, remember we took the verb correr and we dropped the R and then just added dor. Alright, for numero dos, the player is new. Okay, remember this is feminine and also the verb to play is what you need to go from, okay? I want you to try that one and we are going to go over that one in class. So please make sure that you do it now. Alright, and we'll check that over in a little while. Now, I'm sure when you saw that one of the suffixes was Dora, you were thinking Dora the Explorer. And this isn't actually on your notes, I just thought you might want to know this. So, the verb to explore in Spanish is explorar. Okay, remember according to our rule, we would drop the R at the end. And for a female, we would add Dora. Okay, so remember, Dora is an explorer, so we have Dora the Exploradora. So that's where that actually comes from. Okay, remember dor and dora are the suffixes that are used to the equivalent of so runner, skater, okay? Now, ista, similar, but a little bit different. We use this one to describe someone that is a something player, okay? For example, a soccer player, okay? We don't actually say a soccer-er, all right? We say a soccer player, so that's where this is going to come in. So any type of sport player, okay? So this is a little bit more specific here with the particular sports. So you can see in your example you have football, okay? So the sport football. And this one's pretty easy. All you have to do is add ista to the end of it, okay? So futbolista. Now, the ending for masculine and feminine is exactly the same. So the only difference is your L and your la, okay? So el Futbolista and la futbolista. Both mean a soccer player. So, the definite article here, the L and the la, is important so we know exactly who we're talking about. Okay, so how would you form tenis into a tennis player? Okay, try it out on your own. Remember, we want the masculine and the feminine. I'm going to write mine down, see if you can get it before me. Okay, now you might have actually noticed this one was a little bit different. Okay, I tried to trick you. Tenis actually ends in is, okay? Now look at the suffix up here. It starts with is. So all you're actually going to do is add the ta to the end of this one. So we have el tenista and la tenista. Okay, we're going to go back to the normal ones. I won't try to trick you anymore. We have some translating now down at the bottom. Numero uno, the basketball player, a female, is playing right now. Okay, let's do this one together. So, the basketball player. Remember, the word for basketball, we have two of them, but we're going to go with the one that is used in this unit, basketball. Okay, so, because it's a female player, we have la. And then remember, we take our sport, basketball. And all we do is add ista to the end. So, la basquetbolista is playing right now. Está jugando ahora mismo. Okay, I hope you did fine with that one. I would like you to try numero dos by yourself now. The volleyball player, a male volleyball player, is running in the park. Okay? I want you to try this one on your own. We'll also go over that one, okay? Okay, and so I know that you were actually watching this video. I would like you to write your favorite sport in the bottom right corner of your note sheet, okay? On this side of the Dora and Ista. Okay. Adios. Hasta luego.